Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about how to connect SQL Server with Python. So at here we need to follow some important steps. So first at here open the command prompt and at here Python must be installed. So here if you go to search and here you can see Python 3.8 that already installed. Now here we need to install pyodbc. So that's for Microsoft SQL Server. So open the command prompt. Use pip install pyodbc. Press enter. So it's a first correcting downloaded. Now it's a successful. The file size 58 KB. Now here after the next important step is, so either you can use command prompt or you can use id array. So at here I'm going to use the command prompt. So at here write Python. Now it's showing Python 3.8 that install. Now cursor move to the Python. Now here let's import pyodbc. Press enter. So there is no any problem. It's imported successfully. Now here after the next is let's use con. So con pyodbc connect to driver SQL server localhost and database name Adam and here trusted connection that is used. So travel at your SQL server. So server name that is localhost. If you don't know, then give blindly localhost or give your PC name. Give the correct database name and after doing this all, let's copy, press enter. So at here this is connected. Now here after using cursor and here con cursor. No any problem. Now here after, so select top 5 from escort emp. So escort emp is the table name. Now press enter. So at it's display cursor object this. Now here after the next I wanna check the record of escort emp table. So at here 4 and here, so it's displaying all in the records, top 5 records of escort.emp table. So this all. So this all values that come from SQL server. Okay, so that means it's successfully connected with the Python. So at here I used command prompt. You can use id array. So at here Python 3.87 you can use any important actor for Python. Now here after let's see with the ideally. So with ideally you don't need to install directly use import pyodbc, press enter. So there is no any problem. Here copy this, press enter, no any problem. Now cursor, press enter, no any problem. Now here after you can give right or correct table name. So pyodbc object it's displaying. Now hereafter for display records you need to use print. Press enter, so it's all displaying record. So any favorite ID you can use, either you can use Python, PyCharm, anything. So this is the way we can connect to SQL Server with Python. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.